Today our topic is the OSI model, Open System Interconnection. This model shows how data flow from one device to another device over the internet. It was developed by International Organization for Standardization. There are 7 layers in this OSI model. One is the application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and the final one is the physical layer. Let's see how these 7 layers transfer the data from one layer to another layer. First, we will see the application layer. It provides the functionality of sending and receiving the data to the users. It acts as a interface between the application and the system. It also provides the application services to access the network and deploying the information to the users. Next one is the presentation layer. It extracts the data from the application layer and manipulate it to the required format. It encrypts the data and decrypts. Encrypting the data is called ciphertext and decrypting the data is called plain text. Next one is a session layer. In the name only we can say session layer is responsible for establishing the connection and managing the connection and terminating the session. It also provides the authentication and security. Next one is the transport layer. It is responsible for end-to-end delivery of the message. In this transport layer, we call the data format as a segments. Next one is the network layer. It is responsible for transmitting the data from one host to another located in a different network. It also take care of the packet shortest distance and from the routers. It in the segments referred as a packets in this layer. Next one is the data link layer. It is responsible for node to node delivery of the message. Data transmission one node to another node error free over the physical layer. Data referred as a frames in this layer. And the last one is the physical layer. It is the physical connection between the devices. It contains the information in the form of bytes. This is how the data flows in the receiver and also same way. First it will pass the data through the physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer and the final application layer where the destination user receives the data.